What's going on, guys? So I'm making this video. This is a Honeywell or a Residio tuxedo keypad, and the concept, the theory of what I'm doing is it's pretty much the same for any Honeywell or Residio or Ademco touchscreen keypad. You can see, let me wake it up again. You can see ECP error. Okay, I know exactly what the error is. I caused the error. Okay, what it is, and more than likely what's going to happen on your end is, I've got two keypads right now. They're both addressed to number 2, which is causing the ECP error. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to change one of them, this one, to address 1. Okay, so this, what I'm going to show you, will work on any Honeywell, Residio, Ademco touchscreen keypad. These keypads are so old and crusty that a lot of the times they just, if you have more than one touchscreen keypad, it will default, both keypads will default to address 1. I just ran into this the other day. So I'm going to show you how to set this to 1 if you have the ECP error. Okay, so we're going to go into settings, the gear. Okay, and then I want system setup right there. System setup. I'm going to go to CS setup. Now, this code 4140, that will work with any tuxedo, or I'm sorry, any Honeywell, Residio, Ademco touchscreen keypad that has the ECP error. Okay, if it does not have the ECP error, you're going to use the alarm system installer code. Okay, so we're going to go here. We want to go to ECP address and options. Okay, select that, and you can see it is addressed to 2, right? So I'm going to hit the drop down, and because the keypad upstairs is addressed to 2, and that's what's causing the whole ECP error, we're going to change it to 1, which, there you go. So I changed it to 1. So now I'm going to go down here, bottom right corner, and some of your keypad, and of course now it pops up saying that the keypad is going to reset. The only thing I don't like about this keypad, or any of the touchscreen keypads on the Honeywell system, is now it's going to take 30 seconds to a minute and a half. I don't recall. I never timed it, in order for it to reboot. And you'll see it's going to pop up and it's going to say retrieving panel information and retrieving zone information and blah, 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 blah. But that is what you're going to do to fix it. Now you saw my bar just turned green. Oh, I guess it's not going to take that long, because I fixed the issue. Okay? But you can see it says ready bypass, and I got my green light indicating that it's ready to arm. Okay? And of course, I have it set up to where this is my default screen. I'm going to go here. I'm going to hit console mode. Okay? And now you can see disarmed bypass ready to arm. And that's why it was giving me the orange bar up here, because it has stuff bypassed. But anyways, so that's what you're going to do. The big thing you need to take away from this is the code you're going to use is 4140 if you see an ECP error up top. Okay? If it looks like it's communicating with the alarm panel, you're going to use the alarm panel installer code. And I'm not going to tell you what my installer code is. So that's how you're going to fix. That's one of the issues you may run into with the ECP error. More than likely, that's going to be your issue. Of course, there's always the possibility that there's wiring wrong somewhere or something like that. So I'm making this instructional video. Hopefully this will help someone. Yeah, until my next video, I guess I will see you next time. All right, take care. Bye.